that's why I put the stool there, because you guys keep escaping. I gotta put the garage stool there, because you guys keep getting out. You can't get out. You have a few more days, and then... Oh, are you filming me?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Oh. Wow, get a close-up of that. Can you see the teethies? Can you
Oh,
see
man.
Oh, it's time to start eating real food. Oh, I can't sit down if you under me. Huh, you got little teethies too. You got little teethies too? Can you see them?
Yeah, a little bit. He's a little small.
Wait. Are you gonna play? Are you gonna play? You can't run into the fence. You can't go there. Hey, you can't go there. Oh no. Oh, you wanna be on my lap too? Okay. Okay. I just took a shower and I got wet hair.
What about Buckaroo? He's trying to get up there.
Oh, you want Uppy too? You want Uppy too? Let me see how many puppies I can hold. How can I hold you? Oh, I can. I can hold you all. I bet I could. I bet I could. No, you can't escape. You can't escape. No. And you guys gotta play a lot at night because at bedtime I wants to sleep. I got to be able to sleep. Yeah. Oh. You're not waking me up. None of you are waking me up. No. No. You're going to sleep through the night. You guys say, what are you doing? Oh my. Oh my.
What do you think you're doing? He's trying to get out.
Do I have to get something bigger? You guys are climby little monkeys. Huh? Climby little monkeys. What? What? Hi. Hi. Oh. Hey, noisy little shit. Are you climbing up? Are you climbing up? Hey, stop whining. Here, have a toy. What's your deal? What's the deal? Nikki, you want to see the baby? You want to see? Oh, before you came out here, I was changing the bedding and I had them all out there. And one of the fawns was trying to nurse off of Charlie.
No.
You're not even the same color as a mama. Hey, who's climbing up the back of my leg? Huh. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. Up.
What you got to say?
I don't care. I said stop it.
What you got to say? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. You don't want to say nothing now, do you? You gonna say something?
Hi. Oh my gosh. He's got the most handsome eyes. Look at his eyes.
Wow.
Oh. Hey, Gypsy. Nikki's not gonna hurt your babies. We're sitting right here and I will show her the babies. Yeah. Does that baby look like you? Does that baby look like you? Oh, that's a cute baby. What?
What are you gonna try to do? Huh? What are you gonna try to do?
I wanna run and be wild. It rained all day today. We will take you outside soon because we gotta start feeding you. Hey. Hey. Stop. Stop.